For finding the first hook in the jacquard, you need to make file like this. File of a single line. See, this is the first pixel, this is the second pixel. One line you will have to make like this, or you can tell your designer to make the file like this. So the area in which data is there is 960 into 960. Here you can see 960, and it is starting from this corner. It is starting from this corner, okay, and 8 pixels will be extra on the right side. Okay, these 8 pixels are extra. Okay, so you will make this file in black and white color. Okay, and you will save it, this file, as a BMP file. If your jacquard is supporting direct BMP file, then you can use this file directly. Otherwise, if it is using other file like EJC file, then you will have to convert this file in the next step. So how we will have to convert, I am going to show you. I will provide, or I will have already provided you this software. So in this software you need to select one CSV file, that name will be 960.csv. So this file is for 1008 hook, 1408 hook. In the same way, this file is for testing 1408 hook jacquard, this CSV file, and we will select BMP file in this one, and we will select the output part of the EJC file in this one. In this file also, if you need to test the first hook of the jacquard of 1408 hook, then you will have to make the file accordingly for 1408 pixels. This height will go 1408 pixel, and this width will go 1408 pixel, and 8 pixels will be extra. So that file size will be 1416, means 1416 hook will be the width, and height will be 1408 only, because in the right side only we are increasing 8 number of hooks. Okay, so if we need to convert, then we will, here we will select CSV file for 960 hook. Wherever you have kept this file, you can go and select that file. I have kept that in this folder, templates, and no, not in templates, customer template. Then 960 hook, 960 hook, simple file, 960 hook. This file I will have provided you. So this CSV file, if you have selected, then okay, then you again need to select the test file which you made in your software, or your designer made that. So where you have kept that 960 text file in BMP format, you select that file, 960 hook test, 960 test. I have made one file, that file is here. So I am selecting that file, and here the output path I can give directly to SD card, or I can paste on desktop. Okay, and then I can press the convert button. So file will be converted and pasted on the desktop. Then we need to copy that file into our jacquard using memory card, or whatever the function is available. So this is the file 960 hook. You will have to load this file, and you will have to follow the procedure I have explained in setting the first hook of the jacquard video. Okay, thank you.